What's going on, guys? It's everybody's favorite storm chaser, Terry Tyler here, and we're going to start a new thing on this channel. Don't forget to click below and subscribe. This is called model verification. And what we're going to do, I'm starting a new series this storm season to get some of you guys acquainted with these models. Are they good? Are they bad? Is there bullshit? We're going to start right now. It's 8:48 p.m. and we're going to show you there's some thunderstorms predicted to form in the next couple hours. These storms have not formed yet. So we're looking into a crystal ball. What do models do? Well, first we're going to look at the current charts. This is our surface pressure. Now, these black lines you see here are isobars. You can see these are going through and they're moving through. This is providing some of the lift that we need to trigger a thunderstorm later tonight. The next thing we're going to look at here is called an SB Cape axis. Now, what is an SB Cape axis? Let's first start by taking apart the words. SB stands for surface-based. Cape stands for convective available potential energy. Axis is, as you can see here, a line that's pressing up. This is a sort of a tongue of, this is like a boundary of instability, which is what gives thunderstorms fuel. All right. Now, this is the current situation. These can cause thunderstorms. It gives them the fuel they need, the lift we see here. All right. So now we're going to look at the NAM nest. This is the NAM nest, and we're going to show coming here into Mississippi, nothing's here now. But here it's showing these thunderstorms are expected to form. We can actually see in the infrared cloud tops that we're showing high-level clouds. When these cloud tops get cold, we can get ice crystals to form. This helps create a differential charge in the atmosphere to where we get thunder and lightning, thunderstorms. All right, so let's go to the HRRR. This system right here is showing, again, thunderstorms forming about midnight to 1 a.m. We're also going to now take a look at the 2-kilometer satellite. The 2-kilometer satellite, we can see here, the clouds are coming in. This is the potential where we could get something to form, and this is something that we're probably going to narrate from this point forward. Keep it going. What we have here is the Earth, 2.5 ppm, this particles per million. What this shows is, believe it or not, pollution, air pollution, and charts that are moving through. We can follow the wind vectors. You see this low pressure system up here near Kansas City, Missouri. It actually pulls in the pollution particles that's wrapping them up. And they just kind of clean the world, and they just kind of move around these storms they do. And we can just sort of see the directions of the wind patterns here. So now let's take a look at the live radar. This is the live radar through 12 a.m. There's not a lot going on. As you can see, no thunderstorms have formed. So what we're going to do is we're going to take you through. I set my alarm for 11:30. We expected the thunderstorms to form 12 to 1. Now we're going to show you the actual radar. This is the real radar that we got sampled in from the model a few hours before. As you can see, we are getting lightning. I've gone out and I heard the thunder. Verified that we are getting lightning out of these thunderstorm complexes near the Lee-Monroe County line. So this is the actual verification. The thunderstorms are here at 5 in the morning. So it looks like 07Z, we were off a bit. We were off a few hours, but it actually looks like the models did pick this up, and this is what we get. So moving forward, I'm going to try to refine these broadcasts and give you guys some better case studies. We're going to work through these models, and we're going to show you. I've been doing this stuff for probably about 15, 16 years, studying these models. So you kind of get a feel for them, and we're actually going to do these case studies for you. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next model verification episode.